Hi everyone, I'm Grace. So the writing play an important role in our life. But what is the definition of the writing? On Google, we can find the definition of writing as follows. Writing may be defined as any controversial system of marks or things that represent of the authors and the language writing renders language visible. Whereas speech is infusional, writing is constant and by comprehension. Performance, both speaking and writing depend upon the underlying structures of language. My idea is with above that. Although the human mind is clever, but we transfer it into eternity through the words. Since the writing is so broad, where is the writing appear in my life? Most people think of writing as something that happens in school, but it's also something that happens in our lives. Writing also many forms, including essay, diaries, and small talk with friends. They are a common form of writing. At here, some people will ask what is my personal writing experience. In my impression, the last topic of the primary school Chinese paper is a simple picture of writing, even if it is very simple, but it is the first time for me to have a systematic understanding of writing. With the growth of age, the requirements of writing are getting higher and higher. From the narrative essay to the argument-narrative essay, from the simple sentence to the need to use a lot of rhetorical device to make the sentence more beautiful. And now, writing need in English for me. Beyond that, there have a turning point in my writing experience. The first time I have trouble of writing was in the primary school, when my teacher commented that my diary only recorded what happened that day, without emotion. Later, I passed by limited the style of excellent diaries in my class, but they laid a high danger for my high school. But in middle school, my essay score were always low because I was copying other people's style instead of using my own. But under the guidance of my teacher, I kept exploring and finally found a style that suitable for me. Why the human need to writing? In my opinion, the reason for writing includes inheritance and resignation. Inheritance represents the inheritance of the civilization and knowledge, while communication represents the spirit of human emotions. The meaning of writing is simple for me, to record the events of my life so that I could look back on my glory days.